Hello family, let's make pork spare ribs. These are so nice and meaty. We're just going to start off by removing the membrane first before spicing our pork. I'm done cleaning my pork ribs. Now I'm going to season it with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you don't have cayenne pepper, you can use peri powder. If you don't have that, you can use chili powder. And then the other seasonings that I'll be using is sea salt and black pepper. So I'm just adding my dry spice rub to my pork ribs. I'm going to season on this side and then flip them and season on the other side. Don't forget to also add sea salt or any salt that you have, but don't add too much because pork has a lot of salt already. Dry rub on both sides. Olive oil just to make sure that the spices get locked in the ribs. You're most welcome to use any oil that you have. Okay, now we're going to cover a pan with the foil. You can also put the foil underneath your ribs if you don't want to wash the pan. I'm covering the pan with the foil so that our ribs can steam nicely in the pan. We want them to be nice and juicy. So after an hour and a half, we'll remove the pan from the oven. So now I'm going to bake our ribs on 190 degrees Celsius. So my oven is on bake. We're gonna do this for about an hour and a half. It smells so good in here. So it's been an hour and a half. Now we are going to baste our pork ribs with smoky barbecue sauce. So you can use any barbecue sauce that you have. I love this one from Woolworths. So we're just gonna baste on both sides. Before I baste the other side, I'm just gonna remove the excess liquid in the pan. So you can just discard this excess liquid. And then flip your ribs and baste the other side, and then place it back in the oven for 15 minutes and then repeat. Now we're going to place them in the oven. We are grilling them. You can see there's no foil now, so moving from bake to grill, same temperature for 15 minutes. Place in the oven for the last time on the top part for 15 minutes, same heat, and then we will be done. Last 15 minutes, go in. Ooh la la. It smells so lovely in here. They look amazing. Let's taste how they are. Yum, 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 yum. So juicy, so tasty, super delicious. I'm so happy. Happy. I am so happy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and bye.